Welcome to part 1 of our series, How to Become Rich by Learning Cryptocurrency. If you truly want to build long-term wealth through crypto, you must start with a strong foundation. Before profits, before trading, before investing, knowledge comes first. So in this part, we're going deep into step number 1, the most important step for every beginner. Let's begin. Now, let's move to step number 1. Learn the basics first. Before investing a single dollar, you must understand the core building blocks of cryptocurrency, and here's why. People don't lose money because crypto is bad. They lose money because they don't know what they're doing. So let's break down what you need to learn. First, understand what blockchain is. Blockchain is simply a digital public record that stores transactions securely without needing any bank. Once you understand how blockchain works, crypto stops feeling confusing or risky. It starts making sense. Second, learn how Bitcoin and Ethereum actually work. Bitcoin teaches you the concept of digital money. Ethereum teaches you smart contracts and how apps run on blockchain. These two coins explain the entire crypto world better than any book. Third, understand wallets, both hot and cold. A wallet doesn't store coins, it stores your private keys. A hot wallet is connected to the internet. A cold wallet or hardware wallet stays offline and gives maximum security. Knowing the difference protects your money from hacks. Fourth, learn how exchanges work. Exchanges are platforms where you buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw crypto. Learn how to secure your account, avoid fake websites, and understand fees. Most beginners get scammed because they don't understand exchanges properly. Fifth, understand what makes a coin valuable. Things like utility, technology, community, adoption, and real-world use cases determine a coin's value. Price alone doesn't matter, purpose matters. And now, the big question. Why does this step make you rich? Because when you understand these basics, you avoid scams, fake projects, panic buying, panic selling, and emotional decisions. Knowledge becomes your shield and your biggest advantage. And that completes step number 1. This is the foundation that protects you, guides you, and prepares you for real success in cryptocurrency. In the next part, we'll move to step number 2, where I'll explain how market cycles work and how smart investors use them to multiply their wealth. So stay tuned. The next part is coming very soon. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.